Queen Creek Homeowners. If your water heater is making noise, taking longer to heat, or running out of hot water fast, don't ignore it. Most of the time, it's caused by sediment buildup inside the tank. A simple water heater maintenance flush can restore performance, improve efficiency, and help prevent expensive breakdowns. It can even extend the life of your water heater for years. At AZ Emergency Plumbing in Queen Creek, Arizona, we provide fast and professional water heater tune-ups at fair pricing. Call now to schedule your maintenance service, 480-547-9517.